How to install your iPad into a lighted VisualTarget enclosure. First, remove the front panel of the enclosure. To do this, remove the 4 outermost screws on its backside. Set the front panel and the 4 screws aside for later. Next, plug the lightning connector into your Apple device. In the opposite corner of the enclosure, plug the audio cable into your device. Push down on the audio cable and make sure that it's plugged all the way in. Make sure that the audio cable is routed across the long edge of the enclosure. Now, secure your Apple device by snapping it into place underneath the support tabs. Reinstall the front panel of the enclosure and secure it with the 4 screws provided. Make sure that the small hole in the front panel is aligned with the iPad's wake button. Note: if the plastic caps have been pushed out by the iPad, then simply push them back in. If your device has gone to sleep, you can turn the screen on by using a paperclip to access the screen wake button in the small hole on the front of the enclosure. Now, to power your device, plug an RJ45 connector from your power source into the socket on the back of the enclosure. The green LED on the back of the enclosure should light up. This has been how to install your iPad into a lighted VisualTarget enclosure.